At 1,491 acres, the Presidio, a military base turned national park in the northeast corner of San Francisco, makes up about 5% of the city. The park has about 25 miles of paved or hard-packed bike routes chock full of coastal cliffs, beaches, forests, and historical buildings. You can see Alcatraz, the city skyline, Karl the Fog rolling in, and the largest public collection of Andy Goldsworthy art installations in North America without slowing down. You can also hop off and join a pickup game of soccer, eat at a food truck, or walk through the exhibits at the Walt Disney Family Museum. It's also a quintessential San Francisco treat to roll across the Golden Gate Bridge, 1.7 miles each way, which can be accessed from the Presidio Promenade or Crissy Field. Bikes are allowed on the east and west sidewalks 24 hours a day toll-free, with the western side reserved exclusively for bikes. Once on the other side, explore the Marin Headlands or grab a cocktail and local oysters at Cavallo Point Lodge.